Your variable speed control. It operates very nicely. That's a blade welder. Blade welder is missing the cutter head for here. All the control switches have been removed from this machine. However, what we did is we bypassed the contactor. Basically put a piece of foam in there to get the motor to run. So the motor operates fine. It's got a small dent right here on this cover. And here's your work light here. It's pretty much destroyed. Flat like pancake. All the other functions on here operate very nicely. Got a few little paint scratches here and there. Right here. All the rest of the casting on the head looks good. It's 230 volt, 3-phase. None of these controls work on here because the control switches are missing.